All right, as I said in the last time, when we're getting the car ready, we're at BMW again. As you can see, the workshop is mega, at least there. So not just normal BMW stuff like my mum's car, Andrew's car, but race cars. Barry's E46, we need to see that back out. Some rad M cars. How good is this? So good. And M3 Leaf.
Hello.
Hey, what are we doing? We're just going to fix it up, aren't we?
Yeah, so I need to fix the launch control and get that sorted to start with, and then have a look at the fans tune and see if we can dial in that launch so that you don't bog down off the start.
Yeah, so those that know, see my starts, I really suck on the start, but it's probably because I'm not going out warm enough, maybe, but we're just got to figure out why I can't select the high shift pattern and the checkered flags, because everyone wants checkered flags, and then we're into it. So yeah, I'll leave it with these guys and come back and see what they've done. Cheers.
Get out.
I'm here, dad bods are us.
Dad bods are us. Stress from this guy.
Stress from me every day. I'm being that annoying customer that's like, what's the chance of it being ready for the weekend? What have you found? And I'm just getting these photos back of fucking engines and pieces and stuff. And Josh has got like no fingernails left and whatever.
I haven't slept in 4 days.
But that's not from the car, that's extracurricular activities. No, he's yeah, stuff. But anyway, back at GMW, and guess what? The car's ready for the weekend. So what had happened was, you guys can laugh at me. So cam was out of sync, bolts were crappy, vernier cam gear, and then automatic cam gear thingy, Vanos with the fist, and it just didn't work.
One bank was timed 10 degrees out.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're lucky we didn't Chernobyl it. These guys found it, because I had an engine light, and I just was like, we'll put a new sensor in there, that'll fix it.
It wasn't just a camshaft.
It's always the
sensor.
sensor.
It was maximum limit.
Yeah.
Maximum limit reached.
Yeah.
Yeah. So look at this info. This is what I want next, the 4, not the 2, because I like big booties. Look at that. So I mean, so these guys really know what they're doing. And to make things even better, the launch control that I couldn't do is now fixed. So, Josh, how do I make the launch control work again?
Power button on, traction all the way off. It has to be hot. Gear selector over. Hold it forwards till the race flag comes on the dash. Hold both pedals, and then it'll do the rest.
And do the rest for me. So no more me getting stuck in front of everyone because this thing just goes bleh. So no, I'm stoked. So again, yeah, having a shop in WA that has cam bolts on the shelf.
Somehow, I don't know how that happened.
Had parts on the shelf for one of these, and yeah, just all done. Like, you just, man, if you got a BMW and you're not coming here, just go buy a Chinese cherry, something gay and
BYD Shark 6.
yeah, something like that. Yeah, don't waste your time anywhere else. Cool. Cheers, dude. Let's get the Collie Cup sorted.
Good luck. You gotta win.
Yeah, definitely.